Mila's English class in school presents Modal Verbs. Verbs that express necessity or possibility. What are the types of modal verbs? Obligation, permission, ability, advice, possibility. Modals for obligation indicate something that needs to be done, like must or have. I must wash the dishes before playing video games. Modals for permission indicate allowing someone to do the action, like can, could, or may. Modals for ability indicate the capacity someone has to do something, like can or could. Modals for advice ask for guidance from another, like should. Modals for possibility show how probable something is, like might or could. Let's check out some examples. You must finish your homework. Obligation, must. Maria can drive a car. Ability, can. Oliver, you should check your wallet first. Should, advice. Mrs. Miladi, may I go to the bathroom? Permission, may. You could fall if you are not careful. Possibility, could. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily English learning videos.